Xpedition's group planning and placement capabilities assist designers providing group or individual component placement controls during layout. Utilizing the Group Auto Arrange command enabled designers with a quick single-button placement routine. The group marking with available netline visualization functionality improves circuit focus and enhances user planning and placement concepts. Secure circuit lockdown is offered when performing various group operations or via the embedded group circuit move and copy capability. Let's take a quick look at these powerful group placement options. Once planning groups have been defined and then placed in the layout, designers have numerous component placement commands at their fingertips. In this first example, the user selects the analog planning group and chooses to use the Auto Arrange placement method. While in this mode, the placement grid is automatically enabled for reference, and the designer may choose various group manipulations before deciding the placement location of the group on the board. Once the component group has been physically placed in the design, the designer then has the option to modify any final placement locations of individual components. Notice as the components are being manipulated, the orange group placement outline automatically adapts to dynamically changing component positions in the group. Once the components of a group or partial group have been placed and/or routed, by using the group placement outline, users can manage the entire circuit at the board level, allowing placement operations mimicking that of a formal reuse circuit, but still providing flexibility of user modifications of the group to occur. When duplication of circuitry is a design requirement, Xpedition's group planning methodology really excels. In the following example, we have 4 duplicate subgroup circuits that make up the entire logic reuse parent group. First, we'll extract just one of the subgroup circuits and enable the group marking option, providing the designer with an exclusive view of group-only connectability and clear circuit focus. With user-controlled netline visualization contained to a specific planning group or groups, the placement and routing tasks become effortless and simple to manage. Once the routing is complete, the designer defines the group as active, then uses the context-sensitive menu to select and add these objects to the placement planning group, creating a provisional reuse circuit. Planning groups provide designers many protective and secure methods when performing group operations. The freeze option allows designers to quickly lock down the circuit when performing on-the-fly group manipulations. Next, we'll execute the copy command and quickly create the remaining 3 circuits. Notice that the placement and routing has been captured and retained throughout the copy process. Now that the single marked group focus is no longer needed, we'll toggle this option off to assess the surrounding connections for each group. These groups may then be manipulated separately if required, but it can also be moved or manipulated as a single unit using the parent group placement outline. As you have seen, Component Explorer's group planning and placement manipulations add substantial productivity improvements over conventional layout methods. By providing designers the ability to manipulate or focus on specific groups of circuitry, adds to more effective placement routines and improves circuit interconnect planning strategies. Embedding circuit move and copy capabilities directly into Xpedition's framework and coupled with circuit freeze protection, provides designers a powerful yet secure solution, accelerating placement of duplicate circuit groups. If your team desires this kind of productivity-enhancing power, please visit us at mentor.com. Thank you.